Myself, Mythili. I'm working as an assistant professor in ECE at Kalingar Karunanidhi Institute of Technology. The topic I'm going to explain about is computer networks. What actually a computer network? It is a group of computers linked to each other that enables the computer to communicate with each other and share their resources, data, and applications. A computer network can be categorized by their size. So it is mainly of four types. That is, the first one is local area network, LAN, then personal area network, PAN, and thirdly metropolitan area network, MAN, and the final one is wide area network, WAN. When we come to talk about local area network, as the name says, local area network is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area such as building, offices. Local area network is used for connecting two or more personal computers through a communication medium such as twisted pairs, coaxial cable, etc. It is less costly because it is built with inexpensive hardware such as hubs, network adapters, and Ethernet cables. The data transferred at an extremely faster rate in local area networks, and also local area network provides higher security. Then the next one is personal area network, that is PAN. Personal area network is a network arranged within an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. Personal area networks is used for connecting the computer devices of personal use. So, Thomas Zimmerman was the first research scientist to bring the idea of the personal area network. Personal area network covers an area of 30 feet. So, personal computer devices that are used to develop the personal area network are the laptops, mobile phones, media players, and PlayStations. This personal area network is divided into two categories, that is wired personal area network and then wireless personal area network. So this wireless personal area network is developed by simply using wireless technologies, as we all know, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So it is a low range network. So the next type is wired personal area network, that is, it is created by using the USB. Example of personal area networks are body area network. This network that moves within person. For example, a mobile network moves within person. Suppose a person establishes a network connection and then creates a connection with another device to share the information. Then offline network. An offline network can be created inside the home, so it is also known as a home network. A home network is designed to integrate the devices such as printers, computers, television, but they are not connected to the internet. Then the third example is small home office. It is used to connect a variety of devices to the internet and to a corporate network using a VPN. The third type is metropolitan area network, known as MAN. A metropolitan area network is a network that covers a large geographic area by interconnecting a different local area networks to form a larger network. It's more like a chain. Government agencies use metropolitan area network to connect to the citizens and private industries. In metropolitan area networks, various local area networks are connected to each other through a telephone exchange line. The most widely used protocols in metropolitan area networks are RS-232, Frame Relay, ATM, ISDN, OC3, ADSL. So, and also this metropolitan area network has a higher range than the local area network. The purpose and uses of metropolitan area networks is mainly used between the communication of banks in a city, and also in airline reservations. It can be used in a college within a city, and mainly it can also be used for communication in the military. Then here comes the last type, wide area network. A wide area network, this thing extends over a large geographical area such as states, or countries. As we can see, the network's range is getting bigger and bigger, and the final type is wide area network. This is quite bigger network than the local area network. A wide area network is not limited to a single location, but it spans over a large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optic cable, or satellite links. The internet is one of the biggest wide area network in the world. A wide area network is widely used in the field of business, government, and education. Examples of wide area network, as we all can guess, mobile broadband. A 4G network is widely used across a region or a country. Then last mile. It is a telecom company used to provide the internet service to the customers in hundreds of cities by connecting their home with fiber. Then private network. A bank provides a private network that connects the 44 offices. This network is made by using the telephone leased line provided by the telecom company. Advantages of wide area network. Geographical area. A wide area network provides a large geographical area. Suppose if the branch of our office is in a different city, then we cannot connect with them through wide area network. The internet provides a leased line through which we can connect with another branch. Then centralized data. In case of wide area network, data is centralized. Therefore, we don't need to buy the emails, files, or backup servers. Get updated files. Software companies work on the live server. Therefore, the programmers get the updated file within seconds. Then, exchange messages. In a WAN network, messages are transmitted fast. The web application like Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype allows you to communicate with friends. Then, sharing of software and resources. In wide area network, we can share the software and other resources like a hard drive, RAM. Then global business. We can do the business over the internet globally. Here comes the main thing, high bandwidth. If we use the leased lines for our company, then this gives the highest bandwidth. The high bandwidth increases the data transfer rate, which in turn increases the productivity of our country. Disadvantages of the best wide area network are security issues. A wide area network has more security issues as compared to local area network and metropolitan area network, as all the technologies are combined together that creates the security problem. So here local area network wins in security. Then needs firewall and antivirus software. The data is transferred on the internet, which can be changed or hacked by the hackers, so the firewalls needs to be used. Some people can inject a virus in our system, so antivirus is needed to protect from such a virus. Then high setup cost. An installation cost of WAN network is high as it involves the purchasing of routers, switches, then troubleshooting problems. It covers a large area, so fixing the problem is difficult. Then inter-network. These inter-networks have two types, that is extranet and intranet. We have not seen about this in the introduction, but this also involves with the computer networks. That is, extranet means it is a communication network based on the internet protocol such as transmission control protocol and internet protocol. It is used for information sharing. So it can be categorized as MAN, WAN or other computer networks. An extranet cannot have a single LAN, at least it must have one connection to the external network. Then the next type is intranet. An intranet is a private network based on the internet protocol such as transmission control protocol and internet protocol. An intranet belongs to an organization which is only accessible by the organization's employee or the members. So, the main aim of the intranet is to share the information and resources among the organization employees. So, the main purpose of this computer networks are to share the data or information safely from one end to another. From this presentation, I hope how big the role of computer networks is happening in our daily life. Thank you.